Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I have the one and only JB Craighead with me, and he's going to show you how to use the associated diff checker. So we're going to show you how to use this diff checker from Associated on a 10th scale AE based sprint car. It's a velocity sprint car, and this will work with any car that has a differential in it. So he's going to show you how to use it and talk a little bit about it. So I'll turn it over to JB.
You'll want to hold the spur gear so you don't spin anything, and these are 7 mil in the end. It just hooks straight to the wheel nut, and press it. And for a rubber tire, we ballpark the number anywhere from 220 to 275. This is your ball diff setting. And with a gear diff on really high bite, it's 100 to 175 is a good starting point, and that'll get you close to where you need to be. I've been plugged into the battery for my radio, but it's just USB powered, so you can plug it into your charger or wall plug, anything that's 5-volt USB.
Yeah, I know a lot of power supplies have that capability as well. So, yep, pretty simple. It's a neat tool. It helps you make sure your diff's not too loose, too tight. Like JB said, he gave you some ballpark numbers, but you know, it's kind of personal preference on what you guys kind of want to do with it, but that is how it works, and that's all I got. So all these products are available at gofasthobbies.com. Check the links below, and thanks for tuning in for another Tech Tip Tuesday with JB. We will see you next time.